This video will show you how to make a Lurk command in Streamlabs Chatbot. Start by selecting the Commands tab on the side. Press the plus icon in the top right. Click the command box. Type !Lurk. Make sure you have the same settings as me. These are the default settings. Set a cooldown time. This is how long must pass after the command has been used before it can be used again. Select the response box. Type out the message you want to be displayed when someone uses the command. Typically, you want to thank the user for supporting the stream. You can include the text $username in your response to mention the user that used the Lurk command. Submit.